I want you to take a deep breath into your heart. Take another deep breath. Now picture a golden cord wrapping around your heart. This golden cord is traveling up through your crown chakra. See your crown chakra open. It's traveling up, 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 through the clouds, and it's connecting with your highest self. Now it's traveling up even further, traveling all the way up into the stars, deeper and deeper and deeper, and connecting directly with source light. Now feel source love and light travel back into your body, traveling down the cord and filling your heart with love and warmth. Now, picture a red cord wrapping around your heart, traveling down through your root chakra. See your root chakra open, traveling down towards the earth through a water portal, down into the earth, traveling down through all of the beautiful unseen realms, fairy realms, the elven realms, traveling all the way to the center crystal of the earth. What color is it? Cords wrapped around the crystal, and now beautiful Mother Gaia energy is traveling up through that red cord, wrapping around your heart. Deep breath. Feel the warmth wrapping around your heart. And repeat after me. I am enough. I am loved. I trust and surrender. I am ready to be divinely guided. Take another deep breath. When you're ready, open your eyes.